Hi, this is Rick Storley from New Home Sales Coach, and welcome back, Game Day Coaching members. Today we're talking about defining your positioning statement or your builder story. And this is in direct relation to your marketing message. So make sure you have already completed or are well on your way to completing your marketing message before you go through this step. It's definitely in chronological order. So your marketing message is one sentence telling people what you do. So it's your elevator speech, and we're avoiding the words remodeler and home builder because people have a preconceived notion once we tell people that. So in response to your marketing message, the natural question coming from your prospects should be, well, how do you do that? And this is how we're going to tell them we accomplish our marketing message. It's three parts made up of our positioning statement, or what some people might call your builder story. The first part is who we are. When did you start the company? Where do you currently build right now? What do you build? Is it condominiums, townhomes, single-family homes? Could it be that you are remodeling and you're specializing in certain remodeling projects? And who currently owns the company? Now, part two is what we've done. What have you done to address the changing housing market? And this is where the 90-10 approach comes in that your prospects are looking at you and they're trying to commoditize you. And they're trying to make their decision based on price because they want to find someone who's all the same. So what you have to do is you have to take and exploit the 10% that is truly unique and different about your company and avoid using the words family owned, quality, or experience, because that's what 90% of your competitors are going to do. And why use us? This is your unique selling proposition or your onlys. How do you understand your prospects better than anyone else? What specific problems do you solve? So as you're going through and answering these questions, I've created a section right below here to jot down your notes. Now, if you're not comfortable with writing, don't. Just make notes so you can hire a writer to do it. If you need a writer, we do have a professional writer on staff at Game Day Coaching, and she can do it for you, or you can find somebody locally to do it for you. Go on Craigslist for you need, but have someone else do it for you. So you make your notes here. Now let's show you some samples of a home builder positioning statement. The marketing message from this builder is, we build smart homes for smart people. And this is their builder story or their positioning statement. So who we are, this particular builder wanted to help people who wanted to live in a true urban setting, but not necessarily live in an old home. So he offers brand new homes in core Minneapolis neighborhoods. This is all teardowns. And his specialty is he takes these new homes and he makes sure that they architecturally seamlessly fit within the neighborhood, because his buyers' psychographic profiles, they do not want to build a McMansion. They would definitely want to fit in. Now what they've done, they came up with this rigorous 5-step process. SMART, you can read that when you download it, and why use us. This is just what they're trying to relate to their buyers, saying that, look, we understand a home needs to be more than just simply square footage. It's got to work for you. It's got to fit into the neighborhood. You might run into some people that are very into green here, that sort of thing, and they're just thanking people for the opportunity to help you create your next home. Now, here's a remodeler sample positioning statement. The marketing message is live life to the fullest. This particular remodeler started the company in 1909. So they're talking about here the original person that started it, and what the company name was then, what it is today. Now this is kind of interesting. They're talking about how they have withstood 2 world wars, a depression, and countless boom and bust markets, and they're still here as a pillar in this local housing market. So during the Great Depression, the company started building high quality apartments that are still there today, and the current owners are continuing to evolve the company. So what they're doing now is they're incorporating this professional design consultation, identifying these unknowns before they start the project, and then they're going to cap off their project by offering everyone that renovates with them a 12-month care and repair home maintenance package for no cost. And so they're saying, all these things have changed in the last 100 years, but the only thing that hasn't changed is our focus on helping you live life to the fullest. So that's it. That's your positioning statement and marketing message. On the next video right below this, I'm going to show you how it might look on a website and how it might look on a collateral material or something you might hang on the wall of your office or perhaps your model center. Happy selling.